The materials that we're supplying to the Gemwell house is the Trex composite decking, which is a manufactured material which is made of 95% recycled products. There's quite a few benefits. I think the major one, the main reason why people choose Trex normally is because of the low maintenance aspect. You don't need to oil, seal it, paint it, there's no termites, there's no splitting, there's no rotting. So basically you just install a Trex deck and enjoy it from day one. But the reason I believe it was chosen for this project was for the environmentally friendliness of it. It's actually 95% recycled, made up of reclaimed sawdust and plastic shopping bags. It's a really green product. The availability is very good. We stock a great deal of the product at our warehouse in Balcatta because we know it's important to have it when people just call up or want it. You know, if they're building something that weekend, they don't want to wait 3 weeks or 6 weeks or 12 weeks like it actually takes to get here. So we stock right up. We do run a Trex Pro installers program where we actually go out and check guys about installing the product, making sure it's installed to the manufacturer's instructions. But it's actually easier to install the normal timber decking, and it goes down faster because it's got secret clips, and a DIY man could do it. It's not very hard at all. If you can build a timber subframe, you can build a Trex deck. So Trex Company is the manufacturer of Trex composite decking. WCT Distributors is the wholesale distributor of the product in Western Australia. So we import the product, we store it, and then we ship it out throughout Western Australia to, I think last count was 80 distributors around Western Australia. It's a very popular product. We began importing it in June 2011, and since then we've imported over 75,000 square metres of it. So if you can imagine a backyard deck is normally around 25 square metres, that's a lot of decks.